Kelsey and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me making a DIY sensory bin for my preschooler and my kindergartners. We're trying to do lots of extra fun things here at Christmas time, and so this is one of the things I decided to do. I did want to do it kind of in budget and not too expensive, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what all I got to put in it. Everything I got was from Dollar Tree, and I just went in there and got all kinds of Christmassy themed things. I do have some things around here I may add to it. I'm not 100% sure. I guess once I put everything in there and see if it needs more stuff, I will, but I'm just gonna make a sensory bin just to have for extra fun things for them for Christmas. I am gonna be putting everything, oh, the cat decided to jump inside my box. I want to put everything in this big bin. If I'm doing a sensory bin with all of them, I try to do like a big one so that there's spots for everyone to sit, so that they're not on top of each other. But I'm going to show you what all I got from Dollar Tree. I did get some of these beans, and I got the white ones. I got 2 packs of those, and then I got these green peas. It says green split peas, but I'm just gonna put them in there just like I do the beans. So there's some green and white. I got this little bag of balls. I got a couple of those. I got a foam ball pack. I got a pack of tinsel because I think this would just be fun to kind of dig through in the process. So I'm going to take it out and stretch it out, and hopefully it'll spread around. Then I got this pack of erasers. It looks like it has like, I might go ahead and open it. It's got little Christmas trees, a snowman, a Santa, and then some reindeer. But I'm going to add all these to the bin, put it together, and then probably I'm going to add a couple of different things that I have here. And then I did buy some new tongs. We do have one set of tongs, but we only have 2 of them, so I wanted each of them to have a tong. And of course I got green to go with our Christmas theme. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put it together. I'm going to add in some red beads, and then I had this little puzzle that we got in the Target dollar spot a couple years ago, and they've been loving these for Christmas. We've been doing lots of like manipulative stuff with it, but I want to add this in there for them to play with as a sensory bin. And the cat has already been enjoying the tinsel. The completed bin. It's got all the little goodies in there. I think they're going to have lots of fun playing with this. They love sensory bins, so I think they're going to like this. What you doing? You think it's yours? Huh?
I don't have a bowl.
I'm going to put the bowl here so everybody can get to it. Put it in the middle.
Makes me sound good. Throw it in. That's all right.
What'd you find?